The 2009 Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck, all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: running boards, stability control, traction control, power steering, automatic transmission, cruise control, compass, fog lamps, power windows, trip computer, passenger airbag, remote power door locks, daytime running lights, tachometer, heads-up display, tilt steering wheel, privacy glass, trailer hitch receiver. This vehicle is Carfax certified one owner and qualifies for Carfax buyback guarantee. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.